place to be to learn about safety. The instructors are very knowledgeable about what they are teaching. They have that passion, the same passion as we do as safety professionals.
By and large, this is probably the best return on investment you're going to make for training and for getting an opportunity to go more in depth in a topics that are relevant and actually affect your day-to-day interactions with people, in addition to policy and management and planning. There's so much to choose from. It's really hard to decide.
It's advanced my career. I was able, from that first seminar, to take all those tools back, everything that I learned, and I applied them to the plant I was at. My employer, the CEO, saw what I did, and he said, look, we really need someone with your capabilities and what you've done in this department.
Any safety professional, whether you're just starting out, mid-level, very experienced safety professionals, there's no better platform to continuously learn and develop your skill and craft as a safety professional.